Alright, well, I just got a shipment of my new merch, so let's open this up. If I can figure out how. There we go. Come on. There we go. Alright. So many stickers. Let's start with these. Oh, jeez. Cool. Oh, those look so good. Amazing. Oh, there we go again. Good thing these have a protective cover on them. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, I love the rainbow clip. Very cool. Oh, I love the sparkle on those. Very cool. And the sticker version, is that what these all are? Yeah. Cool. These look like something else. Oh, whiskey being whiskey. I was told I don't have enough cat things at conventions, so I based this one off my own cat, who loves to roll on her belly and tempt us to pet her. And we got Minx in Psycho Kitty mode. Oh, I love the holographic effect of these. Super cool. Oh yeah, this was a painting I did. And I loved it, so I wanted to get stickers. Oh. Very cool. Nice. More sticker versions of these. Ooh, and these are my horses, I think. There's Wood Horse. Got these all in gold. There's Metal Horse. Earth Horse with the shiny eye. Cool. So wind isn't traditionally one of the Chinese elements, but, you know, I really wanted to do a Pegasus. I guess alicorn, actually, because it's got a horn. And there's the water horse. Also with a shiny eye. Love it. And last but not least, Fire Horse. Oh, those look so good. Yeah. Very cool. And then, oh, these are my wall hangings. I won't be able to show them properly on this. I'll have to get more photos of them, but it's based on the space picture I did of Zoe and Felicia. So cute. Oh, these look great. Amazing. Very cool. Awesome. Very excited about all this stuff. That's everything. Well,